Welcome back. I was so impatient to move to the next episode of my Renault 5 rebuild. As a reminder, in the previous episodes after bringing back my old abandoned Renault 5, I found it to only have the pistons running.
Today, we're going to remove the engine head once again, in all the valves, fix all the seats, and then place it back.
First step is to remove back the engine head. For this I am respecting the sequence of tightening from middle to the sides. I am not sure if it makes any sense, but just to stay safe I choose to. It is a very simple operation, but it takes a huge amount of time. Removing the intake and manifold screws is a pain in the ass. Believe me when I tell you, you will get your hands scratched and you will need to be super creative finding the right position. After roughly 30 minutes and a bunch of screws removed, I am ready to do the final preparation of the engine head before closing the engine down for good. I guess it turned out pretty good, is it?
Yes. The valves and the head looks pretty decent now. You should be proud of yourself.
Mounting a new head gasket. It is really so easy to do it. I encourage you all to do it alone. You don't need any help for this. I also decided to change all the screws, although I personally believe this is just a commercial story that always you should use brand new screws for the engine head. I torqued the screws at 60 Newton meters for the first one and I plan to move up to 68 after heating up the engine. This operation is really important and one should not ignore it. We then set up the pushers. Shame on us cause we only used our hands to approximate the distances. I then changed the thermostat and starting putting back all the cooling hoses. Mounting back the pusher's cover and the air filter is piece of cake. It did not took me more than 15 minutes altogether. I was then ready to fire up the engine. I loved it. See you in the next episode. Aesthetic work is following.